Hello everyone. So welcome to our daily issue analysis. Welcome to DIA prelims. So today we are going to discuss about some important lakes which were in news and important lakes, and there is one river as well. So we will discuss why they were in news, what kind of question UPSC can ask, and how you should prepare yourself. And hope you all are utilizing, making use of the DIA videos, DIA prelims, DIA mains. And every day we are getting all the encouraging messages about our handwritten notes, about the coverage, about the topics. And thank you so much for liking. Thank you so much for making use of the notes as well. Okay, so let's start the discussion for the day. Okay, so we will directly start from the question first, and then we will see the rest of the details. So here we have the question. The question is, consider the following with respect to the lakes and rivers and their location and origin. Manas Bal Lake. So these are the lake or rivers, and this particular is already matched. Is it in Gujarat or not? Sur Sarovar, Uttar Pradesh. Thol Lake, Rajasthan. Bhogdoi River, Assam. So what you have to do, you have to choose which of the following are correct, which of the match is correct. And we have seen now UPSC is asking in different format. Now they are not giving A1, B2, 3, C, like that they are not giving. So which pair is correct? Only one pair is correct, two pairs are correct, three pair is correct, or all are correct. So choose your answer, choose your option, and yes, make use of this. Please note down your answer in the comment section and let us know. Okay, then you match later whether you have marked it correct or not. Okay. Now we will discuss them one by one, and we will see the. Okay, now we will discuss that why they were in news. So starting with the first lake, this was in news somewhere in March 24, 2022. It was in news. Thol Lake recognized as the Ramsar site to receive discharge from STP. So it was in news. Then very recently, this is a news from 16 September. After 33 years, Kashmir's pristine Manas Bal Lake opens for NCC cadets. So this was very recently it was in news. Then Lonar Lake Sur Sarovar declared as Ramsar site from 2020, and this was declared as a Ramsar site. The Thol Lake was recognized as Ramsar site in 2021. Then what about the river? River was also in news. Coal mining, waste discharge, encroachment. River Bogdai has been dying a slow death. So again, this is a news from this month only. So whenever you are coming across such information, be very alert that what kind of question can be asked. What is the nature of the lake? Is it a Ramsar site or not? If there is a river, then what is the origin of that river? That river is a tributary or sub-tributary of which drainage system, or the drainage system is spanned over कहाँ उसका है, किस स्टेट में उसका origin है या कहाँ तक उसका फैलाव है, ये सब हमें पता होना चाहिए, right? So this way your antennas, your radar should work. जैसे ही आए अलर्ट हो जाओ कि नहीं अच्छा कहाँ किस तरीके से पूछना है, किस तरीके से ध्यान रखना है. And not only for prelims, this can be a very important value addition for your mains answer writing. अगर इसके बारे में आप पढ़ेंगे, easily you can talk about that how encroachment और anthropogenic activities की वजह से ऐसे rivers की death हो रही है, right? So ecological threat, very much you can use them for substantiating your points in your answer. So because of all these articles, the respective whatever topics we have taken, they were in news. And here you must be seeing, this is Lonar Lake. अभी देखने में ग्रीन लग रहा है. हमें क्या पता होना चाहिए? हमें इसका पता होना चाहिए कि लोनार लेक का ओरिजिन क्या है. ये ग्रीन है. Those who have been following us before prelims from April 2022, we have covered कि इसका कलर बीच में पिंक हुआ था, तो क्यों हुआ था? If you are interested, I will provide the link of the video in the description box, or in the comment section we will pin it so that you can go through it. That is very important. That has been asked by UPSC in other exams. तो जब भी कोई इंफॉर्मेशन मिलता है उसको 360 डिग्री अप्रोच रख के आसपास की सारे इंफॉर्मेशन को कवर करना चाहिए. Okay, this is how we should gather information, and then only we will be able to retain. Okay, now let's discuss about the rivers or the information one by one. We will start. So starting with the Manas Bal Lake, It is located in the central Kashmir, and it was in news because after 30 years, almost after 30 years, militancy की वजह से उधर अर्लियर नेवी की ड्रिल्स हुआ करती थी, वहाँ पे नेवी की ट्रेनिंग हुआ करती थी, बट बिकॉज ऑफ मिलिटेंसी सारी ड्रिल्स सारी एक्टिविटीज बंद हो गई थी. सो नाउ आफ्टर लॉन्ग गैप ड्यू टू मिलिटेंसी, अगेन फॉर एनसीसी कैडेट नेवी हैज रिवाइव्ड इट. दे हैड ओपनड इट फॉर ड्रिलिंग एक्टिविटीज. ओके, सो ड्रिल होंगी, ट्रेनिंग ड्रिल्स होंगी, एंड उसकी खूबसूरती भी बहुत होती है. When you will see it, उसके आसपास पूरे चारों तरफ लोटस ब्लूम्स इन द पेरिफेरी. सो लोटस का पूरा फ्लावर से वो घिरा हुआ है. सो इट लुक्स लाइक समथिंग लाइक दिस वन. सो दिस इज द इमेज ऑफ द मानस बल लेक. ओके, सो जस्ट ट्राई टू रिटेन इट विद द हेल्प ऑफ ऑडियो, वीडियो और इमेजेस. ज़्यादा दिनों तक याद रहता है. ओके, दिस इज अबाउट मानस बल लेक. सो इट इज देयर इन सेंट्रल कश्मीर. कभी ये कंफ्यूज नहीं होना कि अच्छा सेंट्रल कश्मीर में नेवी क्या करेगा, कोई कोस्ट तो है नहीं, कोई सी तो है नहीं. सो इट इज नॉट इन कश्मीर. कश्मीर इट विल बी समवेयर इन द कोस्टल स्टेट. सो इट इज देयर इन कश्मीर. नेक्स्ट इज अबाउट थोल लेक. इट इज लोकेटेड इन गुजरात. It was originally built by the Gaikwad regime in 1912, and later in 1980s it was declared as wildlife sanctuary. And very important, especially from this two images which you are seeing, these are the images of critically endangered white-rumped vulture and critically endangered sociable lapwing. Critically endangered जो list है, it is बहुत छोटा ही है list. So we have to remember, at least whenever you are preparing for the IUCN status, you prepare for endangered category, you prepared for critically endangered. At least you will be able to eliminate, right? So we should remember that way. And it is also a Ramsar site. So Ramsar site है, critically endangered, white-rumped vulture and socially lapwing का home है. And this is how the Thol Lake, like एक representative image you should have in your memory. So this is about Thol Lake. Okay, it is somewhere around 40 kilometers from Ahmedabad. ऐसे याद रखना है. Next one is Sur Sarovar. Any guesses कहाँ होगा? So Sur Sarovar is also known as Khitam Lake. It is also one of the bird sanctuary, and it is home of sloth bear who have been rescued. So it is a sloth bear rescue facility, and it is also a Ramsar site. That is what it was in news for. And here you can see, welcome to Sur Sarovar Bird Sanctuary and Uttar Pradesh. So it is there in Agra, Uttar Pradesh, right? So this is about the another Ramsar site which was in news recently. And the last one for us from the question is River Bhogdoi. So River Bhogdoi, often it will be in news, and we have seen why it was in news, because of the coal mining, because of the encroachment. There is a lot of pressure on the river. So it originates from Naga Hills. So the origin is in Nagaland, and there, because of the coal mining activities, we have already seen that it was in news, and that is slowly leading to the death of this river. बहुत ज़्यादा प्रेशर है, पॉपुलेशन प्रेशर इज देयर, डेंसिटी इज देयर, बॉडीज डेड बॉडीज को वहाँ जलाते हैं, ह्यूमन एक्सक्रीटा को उसमें थ्रो करते हैं, राइट. सो बिकॉज ऑफ द एसोसिएटेड पॉपुलेशन प्रेशर, जो उसकी प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, पॉपुलेशन ज़्यादा है उधर, तो उसके प्रेशर की वजह से दिस रिवर इज स्लोली ग्रेजुअली डाइंग. अभी नाला बन गया है, राइट. तो ऐसे, एंड इट इज अ ट्रिब्यूटरी, साउथ बैंक ट्रिब्यूटरी ऑफ रिवर ब्रह्मपुत्रा. ब्रह्मपुत्रा की ट्रिब्यूटरी है, वेरी फेवरेट ऑफ यूपीएससी. यूपीएससी इज फॉन्ड ऑफ आस्किंग द ट्रिब्यूटरीज ऑफ ब्रह्मपुत्रा रिवर from east to west. So that way how you should prepare. And the water discharge from the nearby tea states, because it is a hilly area, tea states are there, so that is also leading to the death of the river. And here, as you can see the representative image, the BOD, COD, biological oxygen demand. What is BOD and COD? You have to tell it in the comment section. Higher the BOD, it means what? Okay, so do let me know in the comment section. That is that conceptual clarity you should have. So they are collecting the samples. Why they are collecting the sample? ऐसे याद रखना है, बिकॉज अच्छा सर ने कुछ पढ़ाया था कि देयर वाज अ रिवर, वहां से कलेक्शन हो रहा था. सो दिस इज द इंफॉर्मेशन रिलेटेड टू रिवर बॉगदाई. ओके, now let's have a look at the question again, and now you tell me your answer and match whether you marked it correct or not. मानस बल लेक किधर है? गुजरात? नो, सो दिस इज रॉन्ग. सुर सरोवर आगरा उत्तर प्रदेश? करेक्ट. थोल लेक 40 किलोमीटर्स फ्रॉम अहमदाबाद, क्यों न्यूज में है? टू क्रिटिकली एंडेंजर्ड, क्विकली ट्राई टू रिकॉल, सो नॉट राजस्थान. Bogdai, it flows in through Assam, and very important city Jorhat is situated on the bank of Bogdai river. But the origin we are discussing here, the location and origin. So it originates in Assam or Nagaland? Naga Hills, Nagaland. So not in Assam. So this is also wrong. So only one pair is correct. And now we know which pair is correct. So until unless we know all about all of them, we cannot tell which pair, how many pairs are correct. So UPSC एक और कदम आगे है. So we have to prepare ourselves accordingly. Okay. Hope you all enjoyed it. And ऐसे याद रखो, images के through याद रखो, information अपनी story बना के याद रखो. And this is all about today's video. Thank you so much. But whenever such Ramsar sites or the lakes, wetlands are in news, you should be alert. So there are so many Ramsar sites. Government आए दिन जो है Ramsar sites को declare करे. Then how should we prepare? सबसे पहले तो जो famous वाले हैं उनको याद रखना है. Second, you remember the Ramsar sites from your state. And the third, the Ramsar sites which are in news. So this is how you can remember. ऐसे धीरे धीरे gradually if we remember it, then it will stay for longer duration in our memory. Okay, so do like that. Hope you all enjoyed. Make use of the news card, the handwritten notes for your revision which we are providing in the Telegram channel. Okay, and the video which I told related to Lonar Lake, we will provide the link in our comment section. Make use of that as well. Okay guys, thank you so much. Revise very well and be safe.